Jotona phungkaham, te good morning. Tini ang kaisa kok katana musukha. Sing saimano tipra hastego. Sobche chini problem. Angkai refugee problem. Illegal immigrant problem. O illegal immigrant problem no jottono saimano sara Bharatbor borok saimano sara বিশ্ব পৃথিবী borok saimano. North East India go sobche affected worst sufferer angka Tripura Rajya. Tripura is become corridor of illegal immigrants. Everybody knows. All Indian leaders, they know. Tripura is one of the victims of illegal immigrants. Taufano, kebutin Tripura ne bagay, serious ke khakaya. Tay belay ko nama singsa. Tini Tripura hasta wo haino, tini Tripura sarok. Thansa kuri, kok thansa kuri. Sing CPM kai illegal immigrant kok saragya. Congress kai abor saragya. BJP kai abor saragya. Tawag sing nuwi tongo. Ekmatro Tripura motha. Seriously, sing illegal immigrant sing movement khai tongo. Kaya party Tripura Rajya go CPM, Congress, BJP khainai rok poro ukok no saragya. Abni bagai sing jora suffering tongmani. Sing illegal immigrant sing solve khai miang tongmani. Ekmato karon sing party no torjago. Abangai tini Tripura sarok sing yoksha mamaya. Ang omano koi nai. Nang CPM ta hindi, BJP ta hindi, Congress ta hindi. Sing bastop ni kok masanai, kubi kok no masanai. O Tripura haste sobche chini problem. The victim ngkai sing Tripura sarok. O illegal immigrant no tuyi. Abani bagai pharijin jotto no kok baksa thansa yapri baksa ke sing o illegal immigrant abani solve khaina bagai sing kok masanai. Hambai.